Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have you ever wondered what is there inside a cabin crew baggage? Then you are at the right place. Let's see. In my previous Instagram questionnaire, I posted what do you want to know about cabin crew, and some of you asked me about what is there inside a cabin crew bag. So today I'm gonna show you. So this is my makeup palette, and this is my makeup box, and this is my extra uniform. I carry some extra outfits. And a formal outfit, which is compulsory. Another makeup material. And this is footwear. I carry footwear also. It is mandatory. This is my innerwears, makeup removal, my perfume, something to eat, and I'll show you what we have inside. Needle and thread, and my name badge, and I still have more. Mandatory documents are my competency card. This is also mandatory. Quick reference book for a cabin crew, and my passport, my Aadhaar card, everything is inside here. What else? And mandatory torchlight, extra batteries, shoe shiner, my BA tube in case you have allergy. I love seafoods, but sometimes I used to get allergy, so I have to carry this. It's a cetirizine, so I have to carry around whenever I want to eat. I'll eat, but still I have to eat one, take one anti-allergy. This is my purse. This is my hair cream. This is also anti-allergy, and these are my jewelries. What more do I have? Let's see. Bobby pins, earrings, lipsticks, etc. That's it, guys. So the mandatory things are my documents, QRH, passport, torchlight, extra batteries, uniform, makeup, and formal outfits. Why do we carry formal outfits? Wait, I'll tell you in a moment. Why formal outfits are mandatory to carry. So the reason is, even though we are planned for a return flight, we might have to do a layover in a city due to unforeseen circumstances like technical emergencies, cancellation of flight, etc., etc. So the next day or the other day when we come back, we might come back as a passenger, or we might also come back as an operating crew. However, it is mandatory to carry, because whenever we travel as a passenger, we have to wear a formal outfit. And in some sectors, we used to operate the first sector, and the second sector, sometimes we might have to come back as a passenger. Torchlight and extra batteries are also mandatory. It is an emergency equipment. When the cabin is filled with smoke and it is not visible, then we use this torchlight as a pathway. So that's all for today. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section. Bye. See you.